Hi everyone, I am Desmond Duke. Today I'll be making a presentation on optimizing cryptocurrency regulations in Nigeria, enhancing investors' confidence through legislative amendments. I am Desmond Duke, and this presentation is brought in pursuant to the precious Oyebuchi David Prize for Excellence in Law and Technology organized by the Technology Law Club University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Now, the first question that strikes me in this presentation is, why should investors come into the Nigerian cryptocurrency market? In answering this question, it's important to note that a study carried out by a group of people noted that 35% of the total usage of cryptocurrency came out from Nigeria between June 2022 and June 2023 with a volume of about $56 billion. Now, this is a huge market for cryptocurrency providers and crypto users generally. Another study also found that between ages 18 to 60 of Nigeria's population, 35% of people in this age bracket use cryptocurrency of different classes and categories. By way of start, we look at a table of content. A table of content is divided into 4 categories in answering the question of optimizing investors' confidence through legislative amendments. We look at history of cryptocurrency. We look at the existing cryptocurrency regulations in Nigeria. We would also be criticizing this existing framework for cryptocurrency adoption, and also finally we'll be providing solutions and amendments to these existing regulations for an investor-friendly market. The history of cryptocurrency. From the Stone Age, the Iron Age, and medieval times up until the 21st century and this increase in technology and digital age, we have seen the adoption of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, like we know, is a form of money, and money generally is defined as a medium of exchange. Money as a medium of exchange is used for the exchange of goods and services. This brings us to the basic and important question: what then is cryptocurrency? We say that cryptocurrency is virtual money. Virtual money in the sense that it's money that cannot be touched, but money that is owned by virtue of ownership, in every sense of ownership. We also say that cryptocurrency is virtual money plus cryptography algorithm, and it's a virtual money embedded in a cryptography algorithm plus a decentralized system, and lest I forget, and a network, which is equal to cryptocurrency. Now, this provides for what? Security, privacy, and confidentiality of users in this decentralized platform. Moving on to the next segment, we're looking at the existing cryptocurrency framework in Nigeria. The existing cryptocurrency framework world over, first of all, before we go into Nigeria. Here, we highlighted the use and the enactment of the European Union's market in cryptocurrency assets, which is a regulation that regulates cryptocurrency assets not classified or regulated under other legislative and financial legislations. It's important to note that countries all over has adopted cryptocurrency, while some has banned and cried and said cryptocurrency shouldn't be adopted. Now also, it's also safe to say that cryptocurrency has come to stay. Hence, we also be looking at the wave of cryptocurrency from the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, down up to Nigeria. We look at existing cryptocurrency legislations in Nigeria. We say that in the year 2020 and 2021, and Nigerian government had enacted, though not a law, but the regulatory bodies, regulating securities, the Securities and Exchange Commission had come up with an asset statement on cryptocurrency. This identified cryptocurrency as an asset, digital asset that could be owned. Also in the year 2021, we also saw the Central Bank of Nigeria's cryptocurrency data. In the year 2021, we also saw another press release by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Also, we see in the year 2022, the Securities and Exchange Commission issued the rules governing the issuance offering of cryptocurrency as digital assets in Nigeria. This now seemed as if the Nigerian government was taking a leap of faith in cryptocurrency. Hence, this is a step in the right direction per se. We also saw the enactment of the Money Laundering Act that identified digital assets and virtual assets as cryptocurrency. But the Act did not go into details and nitty-gritties on regulations of cryptocurrency. It merely identified digital assets and virtual assets as cryptocurrency. In a step in the right direction, we saw the Central Bank of Nigeria's rule in January 2023, which provided guidelines for virtual asset service providers. Now, it's safe to say that the Nigerian government and Nigerian regulators have been moving a step in the right direction. While we have other laws like the Finance Act that also provided a capital gains tax for cryptocurrency, we have seen that this is far-fetched from reality, as this is not practicable per se. It's also important to note that there is a lack of a clear-cut legislative framework for cryptocurrency. Hence, we look at the existing framework for cryptocurrency adoption in Nigeria. In criticizing the framework for cryptocurrency in Nigeria, the existing framework, we look at the absence of regulations for peer-to-peer transactions. Also, we look at the lack of harmonized regulations for cryptocurrency. We also look at a depth in technical knowledge of Nigerian regulators of cryptocurrency. We'll also be looking at the Nigerian government's ban on the popular Binance exchange. It's important to see that these Nigerian the policy makers and the regulators and the current framework of cryptocurrency in Nigeria is lacking in terms of its scope because of the lack of technical know-how by our regulators. It's also important to make the following propositions for amendment of our laws. We propose to the CBN, the SEC, and other notable bodies to come up with training packages for our policymakers in terms of cryptocurrency. In fighting terrorism, we also propose that there be a think tank and public-private partnership for cryptocurrency. Conclusively, we make this proposition that to promote investor-friendly market in Nigeria, the Nigerian government and Nigerian regulators must come up with a think tank, a public-private partnership that would enhance the promotion of investor confidence in Nigeria's cryptocurrency market, as Nigerian market is one open for opportunities. Nigeria, as we know, is a country growing and growing every day. And the adoption of cryptocurrency in the United States of America and coming up, Bitcoin ETF provides a platform for growth. Hence, Nigeria is on the step to the right direction, and cryptocurrency is the future. Thank you so much. I remain Desmond Duke.